Hi everyone, I'm Hugo, I'm one of the TechDads, and today we're going to be talking about the Nintendo Game Watch, so shall be unboxing it and playing with it and see if nostalgia is worth £50. So let's get started. So you get the Super Mario Bros, Super Mario Bros 2, Bolt and Time. Okay, right, so there's some plastic cover on this. Let's see if this comes out. No, this needs to come out first. So, kind of reminds me of the old boxes that you used to get, cardboard. Right. So, open on this side. So you get a USB Type-C to USB-A cable, very short, I guess for the charging. Right, you get the health and safety. Well, this is it. Reminds me when I was a kid and I used to play these games. So, right, where's the power button? Power button there on the side. You've got the USB Type-C for charging. I guess that's a speaker. Nothing at the top. Nothing at the bottom. So yeah, let's switch this on. So you can set the time. So, right. Well, that sucks. Let's get rid of that sound because that would be... Okay, that D-pad is a bit wonky. Yeah, that D-pad is wonky. See if you can see that. So that's wonky to the left side, and because of that, every time I press to the left it goes down. Okay, switch it off and see if that helps. Let's go into a game. See if that D-pad. So clearly that's not working properly. In the game you don't. Yeah, if you press it right at the top, that works, but you gotta press it right there. So on the corner, top left corner. So you got a button for game, so you can choose Super Mario Bros, Super Mario Bros 2 and the full game. You got time to go back into obviously what it is called, game and watch. So as a watch, tell time, and then pause. You can set the sound, you can set the brightness, and you can set the time. And obviously we can go back into the game and play, and we can pause it and obviously reset the game. So we can do the sound down as well, and it shows us the battery when we click on the pause menu. So we've got A and B button like you have on the old Nintendo. We've got the D-pad, which isn't great, 3 buttons and nothing else. It's a really small form factor. It feels really plasticky, to be honest. Is it £50 worth? I don't think so. It'll probably be a few, maybe half an hour at most playing this. Are you going to carry this when you've got a phone in your pocket, which you can play plenty of games, plenty of Nintendo games? Would I recommend anyone getting this? No, don't get it. However, with all the mods and the hacking of this coming out, there might be potentially some other emulators running some games. Not forgetting that this as a microcontroller, it's not that powerful, but it can still play some old games. So yeah, I think that would be great what you can do with it. As it stands, I wouldn't recommend you buying this.